Ford's up in the pre-market. Company announces it will run its EV and internal combustion units as separate entities within the automaker. There's Ford Model E will develop the EVs, while the traditional business will be called Ford Blue. At a news conference in the last hour, CEO Jim Farley said that both units will, quote, drive the success of each other, although clearly the ICE business, Jim, is going to be the cash engine, and he'll run EVs. And nice little bump in the EBIT margin target.
Yes. Now, one of the things that Jim was saying to me yesterday was, look, the combustion people are industrialists, right? But they're willing to be whatever's necessary. But in the end, they're internal combustion people, and they're not really buying into EV. The EV people, here's something really exciting. It's going to be run by a Doug Field, who was late of the Apple car that wasn't developed, but then helped at Tesla to launch the Model 3. What is he banking on, Farley? The Model E, which, by the way, did you know that Musk tried to get that name?
Model E?
Yeah, Model E. So it's going to be the Model E, like Model T, like Model A, Model E. Okay. And he does want to, this is the destroy Tesla plan. Remember, Tesla produced 330,000 cars in America. He wants to do 2 million. I think Farley's ambitions are remarkable. I think that this was good that he didn't do the financial engineering that the hedge funds wanted him to do, which would be amazing because all the cash is generated by ICE and the EV needed money. Now, don't forget, he's got that stake in Rivian, which is really awful because they just raised the price of something you ordered.
They did. We'll talk about that again.
But I really think that when I listen to Farley, I would take Farley over Musk in 2026.
2026.
When they're going to make 2 million cars, 2 million EVs.
Well, all right, so that's I liked it. I loved Farley.
It's like a SPAC
2 million.
projection.
I want him to pull back from the 2 mil. I wouldn't have called him at the 2 mil.
This does make it,
from
an investor perspective, it obviously will give a lot more transparency in terms of the progress of both and their potential profitability. And you're going to see one going like this, I would assume, and one going like this.
Well, actually, I don't know, because the internal combustion, the F-350, the F-250, my Maverick, which gets 40 miles to the gallon.
Mustang Mach-E.
So there isn't necessarily a decline in one at the expense of the other.
Right. Now, don't forget, Benioff claimed he only had 2 Mach-Es last night on the Salesforce call. I think that's an underestimation how many Mach-Es he has.
Okay.
But I do believe that, remember, he's making money on everything. Farley will not make something he doesn't make money on, which I think is incredible. Because by the way, you remember the electric one, the F-150 is coming out in the fall.
Does it make it easier for them one day down the road to split the company the way there had been some rumors? He doesn't want to. He thinks there's benefits, though, to having them together, even if they sort of have their own P&Ls, their own management teams.
Look, he's from that side. It's not like he doesn't like that side. It's just that, and they're going to use the body.
They're going to ask the dealers to specialize. That was interesting. Jonas, Morgan Stanley's out this morning saying maybe it's a model for other legacy OEMs to follow.
I thought so. I thought Jonas, who still has a sell on it, wouldn't raise his price target. Every time I talk to Farley, I get furious about Jonas. Furious. I wonder if his brother hates it as much as he does.
The Jonas brothers?
Yeah, of course.